Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into an important topic for all the ambitious small business owners out there. The big question is, do I need systems and processes in my business? Stick around for the next few minutes and we will break it all down for you. I'm Taina Pereenniemi, founder of a leading Notion Certified Consultancy. We work daily with clients who are growing fast, but they are still struggling to find the best ways to keep their business organized and structured. So let's first talk about something that we like to call messy growth. It might sound fun and exciting to move fast and not worry about systems or structure at first. And yeah, it can get you ahead for a while. But trust me, as your business continues to grow, that mess will catch up with you. Picture this. You're gaining more clients. Revenue is coming in and everything seems awesome. But soon you will find yourself spending more time putting out fires and dealing with inefficiencies instead of focusing on what's driving your business forward. Sound familiar? If it does, you're not alone. Without solid systems and processes, your growing business can turn chaotic. You might deal with issues like inconsistent customer experiences, missed deadlines, and even burnout. You're constantly in reactive mode instead of proactively growing your business. Now here's the good news. Solid systems and organization are not just for big corporations. In fact, it is a key to sustainable and manageable growth for any business, regardless of size. Now, before we dive into the benefits, let's quickly break down what we mean by business systems. Simply put, business systems are the organized processes and tools you put in place to manage the different aspects of your business. Think of them as the backbone that keeps everything running smoothly, whether it's handling client inquiries, managing projects, or even automating routine tasks. With the right systems, you're not only working harder, but also smarter. Now let's talk about the benefits of having systems in place. Less stress, more freedom. Business systems allow you to manage everything across different functions in a streamlined way. This reduces overwhelm and stress, freeing up your valuable time for more high-priority tasks like strategic planning. With solid systems in place, you can finally have peace of mind knowing that everything is under control. Better delegation. Having clearly defined processes makes it easier to delegate work to your team. When all the information and resources related to those tasks are neatly organized in one place, your team can easily find what they need without constantly coming to you for guidance. This leads to smoother operations and allows you to step back from the day-to-day micromanagement. Improved consistency. Systems ensure that everyone on your team follows the same procedures, which leads to more consistent business activities. Consistency is key to maintaining high quality and client satisfaction. Whether it's the way you onboard new clients or handle customer service, having a set process ensures a reliable and professional experience every time. More efficiency. With systems in place, your business processes become more streamlined, saving time and increasing overall efficiency. Additionally, by leveraging certain tools to automate workflows, you and your team can focus on high-value tasks. This boost in efficiency means that your team can achieve goals faster and even reduce costs. Faster growth. All of these benefits, reduce stress, better delegation, improved consistency, and enhanced efficiency, lead to increased productivity. This, in turn, allows you to serve more customers and generate more revenue. By investing in the right systems now, you're setting your business up for scalable and sustainable growth, all while minimizing the overwhelm that often comes with expansion. All right, so how do you get started? Begin by identifying repetitive tasks and document these steps that you and your team take to complete them. These can be as simple as how you onboard clients or handle customer service inquiries. Once you have these processes documented, look for tools and software that can help you keep these tasks and related information organized and streamlined. Tools like project management software, CRMs, or even simple checklists can make a big difference. The key is to start small. You don't need to overhaul your whole business overnight. You can gradually introduce new systems and tweak them as you go. So there you have it. Investing a little bit of time now in setting up your systems and processes can save you tons of headaches down the road. It's all about making your business more efficient, scalable, and enjoyable to run. Did you know that a management tool called Notion can be used to organize and systemize almost all aspects of your business in one place, such as leads, clients, projects, SOPs, tasks, notes, and so on? If you're interested in exploring how you could organize your growing business in one place using Notion, I'd love to offer a free discovery call to talk about the possibilities. You can find the link to book the call in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. See you in the next video.